Don't you hate it when this happens? Oh, it's so frustrating, right? It's a pretty easy shot, except for the fried egg right here. I'm gonna show you in this video right now 2 great ways to get out of this. The second is gonna blow your mind. You've probably never seen it before, and it works like every time. But let's get started. All right, if you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button and that bell notification so you're notified every time a new video comes out. And thanks for your support, appreciate it. In this video, we're trying to get out of this fried egg lie. And I'm using my 60-degree sand wedge, Vokey SM7, 4 degrees of bounce, L grind. I use this in my bag when I play a course with firm, hard sand conditions, because I want very little bounce, so 4 degrees on this puppy. Doesn't really make a difference when your ball is buried, but when it's not, and there's not much sand, I use very little bounce, all right? So I have a couple of 60s to mix it up depending on the conditions. Look at that thing, it's horrible. Okay, we want a nice wide stance, okay? I'm gonna keep that face square. I'm gonna keep the face square and it's gonna smack down in that ball, no follow through at all, like this. Just a couple things to remember on that technique. Wide stance, weight slightly forward, everybody does that, and I'm just taking it and whacking down straight into the sand. I'm not following through at all, I'm just, boom, I'm right there, okay? And I'm just trying to get out, just trying to give myself a putt at it, all right? Remember, when you're there, mindset is putt. If you start opening that club face though, that could really get you in trouble in this situation because that bounce, if you have too much bounce, it'll skip on through, you'll belly that ball, blade it, send it, it'll be a mess, or it'll hit the lip and come right back. So square, get a nice base. No swing technique here, okay? Get that out of your mind. The only thing I'm thinking about is don't get the sand in my eyes after I hit it. All right, what's the second technique you ask? Here you go. The second way is really awesome when your ball is really deep in there and the pin is far away and you want to get it out there, rolling out a long way. I'm going to set up like this. Like this. Okay? Like this. Toe down. Okay? Same grip. But my grip is lighter than it's ever been in my life. And when I hit down, I'm gonna hit that toe in the ground just behind the ball and I'm gonna release my grip as I hit. So that face digs, so that toe, it's gonna dig in and open up, okay? I'm coming down like this, loosen that grip. Not all the way, but down. And no follow through here either. And the ball come out with some overspin to it. Super loose grip right here. And the ball just runs on out. Boop. Try it again. It's down deep, really down deep in there. Shut that toe down, right here. I'm just, boom. I'm hitting right here and letting that face open up as it goes through. It'll come out more left, it'll roll out more left, so account for that, aim a little right. That shot works a lot, and you need it. A lot of times you're plugged, because you hit a bad shot, the pin's far away, shut that toe down, hit down, open, let that face swing open, keep it in the turf, keep it in the sand, knuckleball out of there, runs a long way. Hope it helps. Hope you like it. Give it a try. They're both great ways. The second way, though, has saved me so many strokes. Can't tell you. It's a shot that most people have never even tried before. Give it a try. Comment below. Let me know how you like it. Hope it helps your game. It's a cool little trick shot, all right? Impress your friends. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Love you guys. Peace. We'll see ya.